Hello dear student, welcome back to my channel. We are going to continue the next part of the fourth topic, that's a phylum Echinodermata. It also says as the spiny skin animal. The first characteristic we see, that is the organism shows the organ system. That's a grades of organization, it's a organ system. The second characteristic is about the symmetry. The symmetry is a radial type of symmetry, means it cut in any plane of division, it always shows the two equal paths. Some of organisms shows the bilateral symmetry, means in a one vertical plane of division, it shows the two equal paths. The organisms, it shows the three germinal layer. First one is a ectoderm, second one is mesoderm, and the third one is endoderm. That is, the organism shows the triploblastic germinal layer. Next, it shows the true body cavity. That is, the organisms are the coelomate. The cavity which is present between the body wall and the alimentary canal. Next, about the habit and the habitat, they are mostly or exclusively marine organisms. The digestive system, it's a complete type of digestive system, means there is a presence of the two distinct opening. First one is the mouth and the second one is the anus. The ventral side, there is a presence of the mouth, and the dorsal side, there is a presence of the anus. Okay. The next one, it's about the respiratory system. The respiratory system, there is a presence of the dermal branchie. That is the skin gills is here. Okay, you can see here there is a presence of the gills, or there is a presence of the papilla, and the tube feet is here. This it's used for the respiration process. The next about the circulatory system. The circulatory system, it's an open type of circulatory system. The next one is about the reproduction. The organisms are the dioecious, that is, a male and the female are different one. The fertilization, it's a external fertilization is there. That is the three different types of the larvae of the starfish you can see here. Okay, that's the external fertilization is there, and the development is the indirect. The ciliated free swimming larvae is here. There is a presence of the ciliated free swimming larvae. Next, about the special characteristic in case of the Phylum Echinodermata, that is the unique features. They have an endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles, that is says as the spiny bodies is here. You can see here there is a presence of the spiny bodies. It's a calcareous ossicles, absence of the head, and the most significant characteristic feature in case of Phylum Echinodermata, that is there is a presence of the water vascular system. It's a most important characteristic feature in case of the Phylum Echinodermata. But there is the absence of the excretory system. The next characteristic, significant characteristic, is related to the water vascular system. In this, the sea water enters through a porous plate. Sea water enters through a porous plate, that is called as the metroporite. It called as a, so you can see here this is the porous plate. The water it is enters, sea water it is enters through the porous plate, called as the metroporite, and reaches to the radiating canal. So this one is the radiating canal. Okay, it reaches to the radiating canal and tube feet, and it is reaches to the tube feet. That is says as the podia. Its a function are the locomotion, means movement. It's a use for the respiration, capture and transport of the food and excretion. Next, about the examples of the Phylum Echinodermata. Its example is the Asterias, means the starfish. Echinus, it's a sea urchin. Then the next one, it's a Echinocardium. It's a Antedon, that's a sea lily. Next one is Apuria, it's a brittle star. And the Kunkumaria, it's a sea cucumber. All these are the significant example of the phylum Echinodermata. Next we see the summary of the phylum Echinodermata. The first one is there is a presence of the traits of organization by means of the organ system. It shows the radial and some of are the bilateral symmetry. The germ layer, it's a triploblastic. There is a presence of the true coelom, that's a coelomate. They are exclusively marine organisms. The digestive system is complete, that is a ventral side mouth and the dorsal side anus is there. The respiratory system, the respiration which is occurred by means of the dermal branching, that is the skill gills or the papilla is present and the tube pit is used for the respiration. The circulatory system, it's a reduced type of circulatory system and it's the open type of circulatory system. The organisms are the dioecious, that is the external fertilization is there, and the development is the indirect form of development is there. The ciliated free swimming larvae is there. The significant characteristic, that's the unique feature present in the phylum Echinodermata, that is the body it is covered with the spine. Head is absent in case of the starfish. Calcareous, calcareous endoskeleton is there, that's a ossicles is there. There is a presence of water vascular system and the excretory system is absent. Its example is the Asterias, Sinus, Echinocardium, Antidon, Cucumaria and the Opuria. All these are the examples of the phylum Echinodermata. Hope so you understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.